Hi everyone, my name is Kaushik and today I am trying to solve the September Leetcode challenge problem that is in previous from the current row, but I am not able to produce that video on that time, and right now I am trying to make that problem solving in my video, and the Leetcode made a great UI for these problem solving sessions. So right now I am trying to solve this problem. First, read the problem. So first, according to the question, that is the question number is 948, bag of token. So basically you have an initial power, it's an initial score of 0 and a bag of token where token I is the value of the ith token, and your goal is to maximize your total score by potentially playing each token in one of two ways. If your current power is at least token I, you may play the ith token face up and losing tokens I power and gaining one score. And if current score at least 1, you may play the ith token face down, gaining the token I power and losing the score 1, I mean that 1 score. So each token may be played at most once in any order, so you do not have to play all the token and return the largest possible score you can achieve after playing any number of token. So what I will have to do that? So first I will check according to the dry run, and then after that I will make that problem as a coding interpretation. So what is according to the question? What is according to the question? Question is that, so first we'll have to initial the value is basically the score is 0 there. Initially the score is 0 and my score is initially 0. Score is 100. Sorry, not 100. Sorry, according to the question, that is in 0. And we'll have to check that if my score is at least, if my score I mean that current power is basically, if my current power is at least token I, is at least token I, is at least token I, in that case what will do that? I will deduct the score by 1. I will deduct the score by 1 and power also decreasing through there. How much token I has been present right now? That is the token of this I till now. And after that the pointer, I mean that I have been trying to solve there as a two-pointer technique. So basically I don't know which is the higher, which is the lower. So basically we'll have to first short there. First short, then I will take that first is, that is the gain point, and this is the I mean that this is the gaining point, this is the gain point, and this is the spend point. There is an if I've been taking that as I and there is an j. So first I will check that if my pointer is that when the gain is lesser than or equals to the spend, first of all that will not go to the out of bound, and then after that I will check that my power is first condition is that at least the current token is, so basically the power is greater than or equals to token I. Power is equals to token, I mean that the gain, basically first of all gain, if there is an, then score is deducting by 1, and I'll have to check that max value of max, mx and score, and then after that I will deduct the power decreasing by token gain, and then gain plus, and an absolute for their case. Then another case for their, if we'll have to check that the power is at least greater than or equals to 1, in that case the score will be increasing by 1 I mean not increasing by 1, the power will be increasing by 1, the score also the same as the deducting by 1, and the power is also generated up to the token spent there, that the pointer has been present there, token spent there. So after that, according to the logic, and after that the spent will be minus minus. When the bounding condition has been failed, then after that I will check that the return the max value. Basically I have been taking that n log n time complexity for the sorting, and maximum I have been traversing n times, that is one traversal. So basically they need the order of n length of the array, so basically order of n plus n log n. So if I have been taking the lower, so in that case the order of n log n is the time complexity for there, and I am not taking any extra space, so basically the order of 1 is the space complexity for there. So right now I am trying to implement my logic as a coding interpretation. Basically this is an 2 pointer technique. So first I will check, I'll take the power is equals to initial power and initial score is both are 0. The power is 0 and int score is equals to 0, and after that the token has been given, and okay, and the gain is equals to 0, and the spent is equals to tokens dot size minus 1, that is, and after that I will check that, and we will have to check that the another value, basically the max score. I am taking the short as a 0. So after that, while the gain lesser than or equals to the spent, and after that taking that the first logic, that is when the power is greater than or equals to, it means that at least the tokens I mean that the gain, tokens gain, it means that there is the score will be plus plus, that is score will be plus plus, and I'll have to check that the mx is equals to max of mx comma score, and then after that I will do that the token power, so power will be deducting power minus of tokens gain, and gain will be incremented, and else condition if also has been present, so power greater than or equals to 1, and the basically what will happen, that the score will be deducting, okay, and the power will be adding, so power plus is equals to the gain in the power, so token the basically, and when the score at least, not power, all the condition has been given there, and after that the token the spent, and after that the score will be deducting by 1, losing 1 score, and after that spent will be minus, I mean that is spent, yeah, that is spent, and else case that will be the break, and after that I will, after that while loop I will return the mx. So let me check that my logic is correct or not. Yeah, it's giving me compilation error, okay, it's giving me compilation error, okay, there will be no required to do that. Power is 50. Okay, I've been taking that one basically. Okay, I forgot to short there also. Tokens dot begin dot end. That is being shorted. Okay, let me check that my logic is correct or not. Spain tokens. Yeah, it's giving me 2 or 3 times there. That is also same. Yeah, it is accepting for 3 given test cases. So right now I'm trying to submit my logic. Yeah, it's got accepted. Thank you so much.